Check out this dope video effect I found on Instagram. Here's how to do it with your phone for free. Let's go. Film yourself walking down the street and then open that clip in the CapCut app. Select the clip, hit style, and choose this freeze frame effect in CapCut. The app will automatically create the first part for this effect. Then just export this video and open a new project in the CapCut app. Select the video we've just created and scroll to right before you run into yourself. Hit split, scroll ahead a little bit and hit split again. Now select this little cutout that we made, scroll over and choose copy. This will create a copy of it. Do the same thing again, so in the end we have 3 copies of that same cutout sequence. Select the second one of the 3, the one in the middle, and then choose reverse. This will reverse the clip and create that trippy effect right before you run into yourself. Do that for every time you run into yourself, cutting out those clips, copying them, and reversing the one in the middle. Export it, and that's it.